How's it going, guys? Jesse here again from WildTop. In today's video, I'll be running through how we roll up the sides of the WildTop. It's incredibly easy and fast and offers you more access quicker than any other topper on the market. Just unzip both sides, roll it up nice and tight and evenly, and use the built-in magnet straps to secure it in place. If your magnet isn't securing properly, it may be installed incorrectly. Make sure the orientation of the magnet on the inside of the frame is positioned this way. Sometimes it can be fitted incorrectly, which reverses the intended polarity. So just double check that it's positioned correctly before securing the side. And that's just how easy it is. You can repeat this step for all three sides. If you have the cab side roll-up panel on your WildTop, be sure to check out that video here or find a link in the description. Now, get out and go wild.